How to fix Easy Home Screen app not working in Android or iPhone device. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing the Easy Home app not working on your device. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and close the unused apps. So if you so if too many apps are open in the background, it can slow down your phone. So simply go ahead and remove all the apps from the background. And after you do that, you need to go ahead and verify the app permissions, as app needs permission to access certain features. So go to the settings, then then scroll down and go to apps. From here, simply search for home screen application. Once you find the easy home screen application, go to its storage and then tap on clear cache. Come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again. Then go to permissions and make sure that you have allowed all the permissions to this app. And if you're using iPhone, you can open the general and then go to iPhone storage, search for easy home screen application and upload it from there. You can also try uninstalling this application completely from your device and reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store according to your device. And another thing you can do is you can open the App Store or Play Store, either you're using iPhone or Android, search for Easy Home Screen application. And if you have it installed and if you see an update button over there, you can simply tap on it to update it to its latest and newest version available. And also check your internet connection. A poor connection can prevent apps from working properly, and you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test your connection. Also turn the airplane mode on for a few seconds and then off to reset all the connections. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.